Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining for the first time, my name is Gift, and over here we do things about beauty, hair, makeup, fashion and all the girly stuff. In today's video we are going to be exploring different ways on how we can style our head wrap. Yes, you heard me right, head wrap, just like what you see on me. Please, if you like this video, do well to subscribe, like and share. Send it to all your lovely friends. The YouTube algorithm would know that the video is high quality. I mean, look at the beauty, look at this beauty. Without wasting so much of your time, let's dive into the video and get started.